Hi everyone. So this is going to be my show and tell demonstration number 4 on Org-transclusion. I have been developing for about a month. Let me just quickly show you what it can do. So transclusion is the ability to include content from one file into another by way of reference, in this case link. So let me just quickly show you what it can do now. Version 0.0.4. I've changed the design. So if you have been looking at my videos and following on GitHub, this version has got drastically different way of dealing with links and transclusion. So over here, what I'm going to do is open up a, sorry, let me just split the window, open up a demo file. So what I want to do is include the headline, the first headline, which contains a subheadline, the whole thing into my demonstration file on the left-hand side. Yeah. So what we can do with standard org mode is to org store link, right? So this way I can bring it over here and just create a space. Org insert link, yeah, and then I'm gonna just include this one here. So this is a link, just normal file link, and then I'm just gonna, if I toggle this, you can kind of see it's just a normal link. Toggle it back on, normal link, and if I click on it, I can go back to the link. Yeah, so just a normal stuff, no problem. Just focus on this one, but if I then activate the transclusion minor mode, so I have managed to make it a minor mode, so it's a toggle. At the moment it's off, so I'm going to toggle it on. I use F12 from the rest of my demo, but just for the first time I'm going to just invoke it through MX, so just do it, boom. So that link has now been transcluded in. I'm just going to, again, sorry, open up. Maybe I should have left the link. So the whole of the text content has been transcluded over here, right? So that's transclusion. And what now I can do is, or what I cannot do is, the transcluded region, sort of shaded with blue, is read-only at the moment. So I cannot directly do anything about it, but because this is just a standard text, I can take the content and then paste it into something else. That's not a problem. Yeah, so that's just that, right? But if I wanted to edit it, then it's kind of, I've got a help over here. There's a function to open up a edit buffer. I have bound it to this key sequence, so if I invoke this while the point is on there. But so now the what this function has done is to create a clone of in the form of an indirect buffer, right? So it's a clone indirect buffer of the original narrowed, and over here. So this is basically directly editing the source. Yeah. So if I wanted to just to type this in, this is a new additional text content, and then so this is just, I can just save, or I can do undo, yeah, stuff like this, no problem. Just a normal buffer, and then once I'm happy, I'm gonna just simply invoke C, yeah, boom, and then that then bring the content back into the transcluding buffer. Yeah. So that's what it is. Very easy to manage transclusion, so that's great. And while I'm at it, right, so what it can also do is it kind of supports the export. So if I were to invoke, sorry, maybe I just save first, sorry. Invoke just normal org export, right? And then if I just try to export it to plain text, right? No problem. So all of the transcluded content will also be exported, yeah, through this way, no problem. Like transclude. So this corresponds to this here, right? Over here, and intended use. This one came from the other buffer and then export it, right? So that's good. And also I have confirmed that pandoc actually works. So I can just run pandoc to create PDF as an example, right? Or I can export it to any format that pandoc supports, for instance, MS Word. So I didn't want to spend time to export, so I have already done it for the purpose of demo. So if I look at PDF, beautifully exported, no problems, including all the tables and stuff like that. You can see from the rest of the test transclusion file. And then if I just switch over to Word, same thing, you know, the transclusion contents are all included in export. However, this is kind of cool thing about it. So if I look at the file saved to the file system, so if I just do, and then in this case, this one is test.org, right? Open externally. So I'm opening up a external text editor. So what's saved in the file system is just a link. So this one I just did in the demonstration, and also the rest of the content that you saw in export are only in the buffer, and then saved file does not contain the duplicate text content. It's only the link, and it's a standard org link, as you can see. So that's that, and I can toggle on and off. Let me just also toggle link display so that it's kind of easy to see. So in my case, F12 toggle on and off, very simple to do. Okay, another thing I wanted to also show you is that, let me go back to, maybe I just switch off, open this. Right, so let me talk about the headline level adjustment. So on the right hand side, also I'm gonna toggle off the superstar mode so you can kind of see the number of headline stars more easily on this side too. Superstar mode off. Right. So if I then invoke minor mode again, so what you can see is that this one is the top level headliner, headline level 1, and then the the first subsection is 2 stars, level 2, right? But if you look at over here, it's kind of adjusted to the environment the transclusion is embedded in, right? So this one is based on the logic of org paste subtree. I have a sort of detailed description of the logic. Copy and paste, I should say. Copy and paste of the description, the doc string from this function. So if you look at this function documentation, you can see how this behaves. I don't know if this is going to be the best way for our purpose, but at the moment, this is how you can kind of adjust the headline levels of the transcluded regions. So that's that. And last but not least, I just wanted to show you the types of links supported. So I'm gonna toggle that back off. Maybe just toggle the link display as well. So what you have seen is the headline link from org mode, based on double colon and then star or asterisk and then the text of the headline. So that's supported. Also, so this one is paragraph. So if I just click to there. So this one, angled brackets. This is dedicated link target. I use dedicated link target for the purpose of paragraph. So whatever the dedicated target is in the paragraph, it will grab the paragraph that's it is situated in. So like this is the paragraph, right? So that's that. And also quote, put quote. This one named quote using sort of the same syntax, but in this case, pointing to the name, and grab this content, right? I think the other sort of blocked elements, org elements, should work in the same way as long as it behaves in the same way as quote. I only tested the quote, but it should work for the others. Table, same way. This one's the table, yeah. Yeah, we saw the headline, and also ID works too. So ID points to heading or subheadings, yeah, like this way. And also this way, sharp, I guess. This way, or hash, I should say, maybe. Again, so in this case, the whole, yeah, in this case, this one, yeah. Sorry. The headline works with the custom ID, no problems. And also, I tested the text file and also Markdown, right? So these are not necessarily specific to org mode, yeah, just a normal file link. And in the case of non-org files like text and Markdown, as an example, the whole buffer will be copied over because I have no way to identify which headline and stuff, part of the text that the link is pointing to. So that's that. But if I then again switch it on, all of this gets copied over, and as you saw in the export, yeah, tables nicely exported through Pandoc, and text is also exported. In this case, this is the text and then Markdown. And unfortunately, you know, because this is Markdown, the hash or sharp, these won't be translated correctly from org mode because this is not org mode syntax. But anyway, so that's how it works at the moment. It's actually quite stable as far as I can see, but I'm pretty sure this is still early stage. It's only a few weeks of development. So if there's anything that breaks or any additional stuff that I need to look at, please let me know. I'm available at GitHub and also Org-Rome forum. Okay, that's it. A very quick demonstration. Thank you very much. See you next time.